So we're gonna make Crabonara. Okay, so we're going to take our whisk, back and forth, and we're going to incorporate grated Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino Romano.
And you put all of it in.
And we're gonna put this into this thick golden mixture.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our carbonara base.
Okay.
So we're gonna take the corn, stand it upright on the small bowl, take the knife, and you're going to scrape down into the larger bowl.
This is gonna go badly. Okay.
The little bowl, no, see there? And then it doesn't go all over the counter.
Yeah,
The big
that's
bowl
nice.
catches it. So a little olive oil goes into the bottom of our pan, and we're going to render the fat out of the bacon. We've got our eggs ready to go. Anytime we're using fresh picked crab or canned crab, or any kind of crab you bring home, you need to make sure there's no bits of shell in there. So just run your fingers through. Pasta is cooking in liberally salted water. We use this as an ingredient, so salt the water. Wait till the pasta water comes to a boil. Now we're gonna grate in the garlic. See, we cooked the whites of green onions with a fresh chili pepper. You can use a little chili flake for some heat. With our bacon, AKA pancetta.
Sure.
Right? With our corn, you just grate it right into the doodad.
Oh, look at that. It looks like Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, isn't that great?
But much stronger.
Isn't that great? Now, you're going to toss your pasta with some tongs as it's cooking.
Great.
Keep it moving.
Great, yep.
Get your hand in there. There you
Look
go.
at that. Nothing's better than pasta, guys.
Take the entire mug, get the salty, starchy water.
Come on, salty, starchy water. All right.
Okay, you could do this. You could do this.
And I'm marrying these.
And then you're going to marry them
Dearly
without
beloved, we are
scrambling the
gathered
egg.
here together to marry these
Move
hot
it back and forth,
sorry,
baby. Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
We are in a ceremony, Rachel. Okay. All right, here we go.
Look at him go!
Let him go.
I added the crab to heat it through, and I just deglazed the pan with gave it a little quick spin around the pan, let's say, with dry vermouth.
Listen to this. Listen to this tip.
Now, dry vermouth, it's just fortified wine, and if you use dry vermouth when you cook with seafood of any kind, it takes the smell of the seafood out of the house.
How great is that?
That's not bad, right?
I love that.
And it adds a little acidity to our pasta here.
You
So
need to
now,
have a YouTube channel with life hacks.
that would be fun, actually.
That would be fun.
Okay, so we drained the pasta. You're going to be in charge here. Marry the carbonara sauce that you beautifully tempered to all of the pasta.
To all the pasta.
Just dump it in there.
Get in there.
And start moving it around with your tongs.
Move.
Get in there.
Move.
Move. Now, this is the point where the sauce starts to thicken up on its own.
Yeah, and it smells
Remember,
good.
we put a lot of cheese in that, eggs that we tempered with the hot water. Now, you ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh!
Nice.
Now, toss all that together.
I like that. I want an audience when I cook that just goes,
right?
whoa.
You want more cheese?
Sure.
You want more cheese?
Always.
Oh!
All right, watch
Okay,
this.
try and get the transfer.
All right. Don't.
Oh!
That's right. Nice.
Woo! Baby!
That was a sad pour.